I'm Joe.
All right, go ahead.
All right. I'm Joe with Burger Flex North America. I'm going to be showing the proprietary designed burger clip, and it's a quick crimp fit-in where you slide this braised-on tail into the hose that has a cage and clamps on it, and using our Burger Flex pliers, crimp that, and it provides a seal that meets or exceeds an OEM spec. And it's mostly used for repair and prototype.
When you said braised on, so you could just buy this part only and braise it on to either steel and you have aluminum. Yeah, both.
So you can cut it right there, braise on the tail, and then do the quick crimp, and the repair is complete. So we also do hard lines, but this is one of our biggest aftermarket products. So.
And all the way up to 12?
16.
16. Oh yeah, that is bigger. Holy shit.
Yeah. Big one.
What's the difference? Same product?
Yep. Yeah, just color coded for the size.
All right. And you sell all universal fittings and stuff like that? Do you guys after produce this or sell this?
So that's just an example of one of our hard lines.
Right, but I mean you have a multiple. Okay.
Yeah, so like these are all custom to OEMs. So we do custom fittings, and then that's custom too. But we have a full catalog of just standard items.
So is that a threaded switch for like for a pressure sensor, and this is like a port, or is that two ports?
Pressure sensor.
Yeah, pressure sensor. Okay. God, I wish they would put pressure sensors both on high and low side. They usually mostly just put them on high side. In automotive.
Okay, yeah.
You usually don't have like a cycling switch unless you have an accumulator system.
Yeah.
Good, how are you today?
Yeah.
Oh, doing
Great,
Right.
funny.
Good, Bear?
Anything special about your just Galaxy hose?
So we have
Okay.
Galaxy hose, and we also have Falcon hose.
Yep.
Okay.
Falcon hose is from the States, from the US also. Permeation is better, it's a zero perm almost, and bend radius is a little bit better also. In their bulk is,
Oh wow.
yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah,
Without kinking.
that's right.
You having fun so far?
No, that one's they gotten better.
That's right.
All right. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome, yep.
All right.
Thanks.